chilly out here with the convertible.
It really is.
Oh! Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We're back at Disneyland. It's nighttime. It's Friday night.
Yes, Friday night. So we are going to hang out with friends, have fun.
Good old just Friday night vlog.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun. I'm really excited.
Speaking of friends, reveal. Pixar Charlie's here. Look at this. Look at represent. Look at that. Loving the new gear, dude.
Yay, Pixar Charlie.
I'm so lazy I don't even say it no more. I just point.
Yeah. Exactly. If you don't know, now you know. Henry's here tonight too.
Yay.
Henry, what are you repping? You repping Nike or something?
Yeah,
There you go. That's what you got.
He's looking for an endorsement, Nike, if you're watching. Friday night
fun.
Yeah. And we got a nice full moon right over the Opera House here. And the Valentine's Day topiary photo op is up and all lit up for the nighttime, looking really cool. Both sides available for photo ops. Right at the head of Main Street. Santa's back. There he is. Good to see you, buddy. I haven't seen you since Rise of the Resistance that day. I think that opening day was the last time I saw you. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah.
Very recently.
Photographer, that Santa.
He really is.
That's what he does in his downtime.
Yeah.
The other 364.
Yeah.
363 and a half.
Man's got to put food on the table, Adam, you know? I mean...
You think Santa does most of the work, or do the elves really the one that do all the
Well, that's up for debate.
He works one night a year.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, I agree.
He works hard, though. Very
Yeah,
hard.
he does. He's committed.
Build a toy. And he's an AP. He's an AP.
He's an AP. Yep,
That's true,
Santa.
You never see him build a toy.
No, never. Not in a single movie has he ever built a toy. He's just like ho 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 and just whatever.
Yeah, that's all he does. And he just said that to me, you guys. He literally said ho 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 to me, like just now. Yeah.
Cookies.
Yeah. So clearly we are joined by Adam the Woo and David from Fresh Baked Disney. Formally introduced now to the tonight's episode.
Are we? How far along are we? What day are we?
We're just getting started, kind of.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's just a Friday night vlog, you know.
I'm drinking
Hanging
coffee in the evening. The sun's down. I'm drinking coffee.
Yep.
You're starting the vlog.
Yeah. It's the beginning of a new day.
SoCal life.
I should
Yeah.
probably start vlogging too then, huh?
I think you should. It's the right thing to do. You know, like the Mandalorian. It is the way. Disneyland balloons, yes. That's a big grouping of balloons right there. Whoa, look at this. Yes. Oh, contact. Look at that lightsaber. Oh. All right, strolling up to the partner statue. Always a sight. Oh, wait for this photo to be taken. Look at that. Beautiful view. On a Friday night. One of the coolest things about nighttime at Disneyland nowadays is seeing all the lightsabers all around the park. It's so cool. I love that.
So we're gonna go on Pinocchio because it's the anniversary you pointed out.
Yes.
Yay.
The movie anniversary, not the attraction, but the movie, 1940. Yep. So we're
Are
gonna
you
go.
sure it's 1940? Would you be willing to
I
bet
looked
your
it up
life
on the interwebs.
It's got to be true.
It's got.
See,
Wikipedia never lies.
Wikipedia
No.
doesn't lie. My sources
It's
are
impossible.
solid.
All right.
Yes.
Now look at this beautiful castle. That's pretty
Oh,
cool.
look at the glow crossing under the castle.
Never realized how tiny it is. Is the matter?
Alright, we're gonna go take a daring journey and honor this movie from 1940. 80 years, you guys, crazy. Yes, Katie, strombolis are the things that you eat, yes.
Wait, you can't eat a stromboli, right?
Yes.
Sounds
It's always
so
food
good.
with Katie. I love that first room, look at that. That is so cool. We got Jiminy Cricket. Thank you.
Stromboli.
There's room for one more.
Yes. To the puppet theater.
Hi. Hi. This is her whole face.
Just like me.
I'm making lots of money.
Wait for me.
You back your butt. Now, pardon.
I want to go home.
love this room.
Like my parents' house. Oh, there's Blueberry.
Cool. We're so old, we're all like, "Ooh."
I love hearing all your noises as you get
Our
out.
old people noises. Happy birthday, Pinocchio! Almost 8 o'clock according to the Fantasyland clock and the backside of the castle. All right, a little nighttime jungle cruise action. Always interesting and fun at night, kind of different with the spotlight. All right, we got the upper queue open. You never get to see this queue, but it's really cool. And one of the cool things that Adam has nicknamed the tree horn. There it is, the big tree that is shaped just like the Matterhorn. I know it's really hard to see, but there it is.
Perfect shape of it.
Yeah. Look at the tropical hideaway from here. It's such a great angle to peer into the hideaway. They were gonna name him Toucan Sam, but there was already a trader. So he lost out on that one. Feel good about that, huh? I liked it. I really did. Our boat has arrived.
Ladies, your dream boat has arrived. Keep those feet clean somewhere. Hi there, come all the way forward there. You can have a seat right over here, right next to me. At this point, I'm going to have everybody lie down. We'll go ahead and start the second layer. Welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise, folks. My name is Eddie. I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. And on the left-hand side, we have a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. Now, those tigers, they don't have great eyesight, so don't worry. They can't see us as long as we're in the duck. Now, folks, we just turned down the Nile River because it was way too loud. On the left-hand side, oh, and look, that pride of lions are enjoying one of their favorite treats, zebra, on the rocks. Folks, looks like they're going to attack the boat. Everybody get down, get down, get down! Hey, guys. Hey! Do these people look scared? Did you throw your spears? No, you didn't. Hang your heads in shame and wait for the next boat. You guys survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Give yourselves a round of applause. Now, folks, if you enjoyed your cruise today, my name is Skipper Eddie. If you didn't, my name is Adam, and I look like him.
Hey, glad you liked it there.
Nice, man.
Go have an adventure out in, you know.
Something there I never heard.
Yeah, me too. There was stuff I haven't heard. That was, yeah.
Gonna say,
Me too.
Oh, that was hilarious.
All right, headed into Tomorrowland. There is talk of Autopia. We haven't been on that in a long time, so I think that's where we're headed right now, if I'm a betting man. Star Tours with a, look at that, 30-minute wait on a Friday night. Not bad. With the Rise of Skywalker overlay, pretty cool. I was right. We have arrived at Autopia. Yes! All right, we've been given number 1. That's right, Katie. Number 1.
Number 1.
Where's Adam and Henry? They're way back there.
6.
But she's putting us so we're all together.
Charlie, where are you going?
I'm 2 to the right.
All
right.
Where are you guys going?
Hey, there's Vanessa from Disney IRL. What's up, Vanessa?
She's ponyless tonight.
Yeah! Adam and Henry, yeah! Oh my God. Reckless. All right, Katie's driving. I'm probably making a bad decision in that.
Oh my God.
Here we go. I just heard the monorail, Katie. Where is it? I don't see the light.
Oh, there it comes. Here comes the monorail.
Monorail! We're gonna get a crossing. Here it is.
Yeah. Monorail.
Go, Katie, go! Yeah! Whoa! Keep your eyes on the road!
Let's look for Henry and Adam.
Alright, let's see if we can find them.
This reminds me of a song from a Goofy movie. On the open road. Charlie!
It's our Charlie!
Woo! David! Did you get David back there?
Is David back there?
Yeah.
We're causing traffic here in the Disneyland Resort.
It's worth it.
Monorail! Wow, double siding.
That's great.
That was cool. A little chilly out here with the convertible.
It really is.
Oh! There it is! Monorail! just getting chased by the monorail. That was crazy. There it goes. There it goes. Get him, Katie. Go. Chase the monorail.
We got you.
That was crazy.
Dude, so many monorail sightings.
All right, home stretch.
Whee!
Don't crash into the tree.
I won't.
Oh
Or
boy.
will I?
Oh boy. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, what's going on back there?
Oh no. There's Henry and Adam in front of us.
Oh, right in front of us? Oh, yeah.
Kiss it.
Hey, move it! Oh. All right.
That was awesome.
That
We
was
had no one
so
behind us. We
cool.
were taking our sweet time.
Dude, monorail, like multiple monorail sightings. Amazing.
That was cool.
How cool was that with
That
the
was
monorail?
fun. So you stopped right in front of me.
That was because of him. Adam was like a terrible
When
driver.
the auto horn came, you guys stopped, and I just plowed in there.
There's Vanessa.
You got traffic. 55.
There she goes. Yep, Anaheim traffic. She knows it. Okay, this has been long awaited this evening. We are going to eat at Plaza Inn. Katie is all she's been talking about every
Because
5
of
minutes.
Adam, though. He's the one
I
that
have been
did
craving
it. He's
Plaza
been
Inn
craving
chicken
it.
for
Oh,
a
yes.
month.
It's contagious.
Oh, that's right. You haven't had it since
my last
Since
road
he
trip.
came back.
right, since you've been back. So
I'm
this
about
is
to go on another road trip, so it's like
It needs
this
to
is
happen.
it.
this has to be.
It's happening.
But
And
see, he said it,
This
and
is
it's
the welcome.
contagious.
This is the welcome back and
And
about to leave
farewell.
again.
Yeah, yeah. Adam?
They're out of chicken, Adam.
Wait, what? Did you see his face?
Train up.
Everybody.
Trade up, dude. Trade up. Yes.
Cheers.
We came to play. This is serious business here. I always like to peruse the desserts before, just to see what I'm up against. See, Vanessa's like, she's eyeballing that. I want that. Yeah. Sounds like that's a sell.
I'm gonna put some Plaza in my belly.
Very good, sir. We got chicken all the way around. Vanessa's doing a little pasta and salad. It looks good. Jeff Pike's here. Yes. I'll have my chicken at Plaza with a little Jeff Pike on the side, please.
Oh my gosh.
Lisa's here too.
We have some food already. Oh my god.
All right, the group has decided. Big Thunder, 25-minute standby. We're gonna go for it and just, you know, wait it out. First, I'm gonna warm my hands on the fire because, oh, it feels so good. It's cold tonight. Oh, that's so nice. See, this is the cool thing about waiting in the standby queue. You get to see these views. We found Jeff and Lisa. They're on the train right before us. Best remove them! Yeah! What's up, you guys? Woo, there they go. Jeff Pike! Here we go.
And partners, for your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs at your side to train. And be sure to strap your kids.
What about
Best
I don't think it'll ever get old.
Riding Big Thunder with Out of the Woods.
Again.
Again.
Here we go.
gotta make eye contact with the goat?
Full go.
Thought of a new challenge.
Mr. Bones time.
Rainbow Ridge.
I'm so cold. I have another jacket on.
It's a cold Friday night.
It got really cold, but that concludes our weekend.
That was a fun Friday night, though, hanging out with everybody.
Such a fun time.
Messing around,
There's
Disneyland.
nothing better than hanging out with your friends at Disneyland.
Yeah, and it wasn't
really
that
don't
crowded,
think.
I have to say, for a Friday
Nice.
night. It was Friday Night Light, I'm calling it.
Amazing.
And if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become one of our Patreon members.
Yeah.
I'll put all that information right there in the description box below.
That's right, and we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, Adam and Charlie.
See ya.